From the looks of all this food, I'd say we're going to miss a mighty fine breakfast. Now, let's get busy and earn 1/3 of that star. Remember, no waste, clean plate, but enough to make us healthy, wealthy, and wise.
Good morning from Xlendi Bay. I'm not sure if I'm saying it right, so don't hold it against me.
Yes, we are here in Malta again. We're loving Malta, and now we're by the seaside. It's just so beautiful. By the way, hi, I'm Morgan.
I'm Harrison.
This is Morgan Please. We're a budget travel channel. We travel the world even though we're completely broke. So we've moved on from our house sit, and now we're in another part of Malta. We're on a different island. This is Gozo. And yeah, we're here in Xlendi Bay, and we're here to show you around where we're staying. It's so peaceful and beautiful. I'm so happy to be here.
Yeah, there are these beautiful cliffs, which I'm sure you can see in the background. We're gonna hike up there, and there's also this really cool little lighthouse tower thing that we're gonna check out today. So us being a budget travel channel, we do show how much we spend everywhere we go. On the bottom right of the screen, you're gonna see a little ticker that goes up every time we spend money. Here's a little example of how that works.
We try to film as much of our experience as possible. We don't always film everything that we buy. So between last vlog and this one, I used my card on snacks and OJ for $5.67. Morgan used her card to get a $369.17 Airbnb in Xlendi for 10 days. And in euros, we spent $13.47 on groceries and €12 for bus fares to get us to Xlendi. So with this video, we're starting with $1,302.61 so far spent in Malta.
Again, this is just to be really transparent about what it's like to be a budget traveler, traveling the world. We want to make it easy for you so you can live your dreams and travel as well. But yeah, we don't want to spend too much time hanging around talking. There's lots of beautiful stuff to see we want to show you. So let's go do that now. So we're going to Xlendi Tower right now, and if you're on the beach in Xlendi Bay, you're like looking at the beach. If you go left and you just follow this path, you're gonna find your way to Xlendi Bay. It's a really easily marked, like very simple.
It's very simple to follow. You just look at the beautiful stuff and you walk along it.
And you're gonna get great views of like the cliffs on the other side of the beach. And if you keep going down, there's even more and more beautiful sights. And tonight around sunset, we're gonna go see those. But right now, let's just go to Xlendi Tower.
I don't know if I mentioned this already, but it's hot and we're in a freaking desert. It's not even sand, it's just rock. It's just hot rocks. Whose idea was it to come here? Was it yours? Oh my God. I'm in charge of traveling now. We're gonna travel from the couch to the bed.
To the fridge.
To the fridge, yes, good. Yes, you got the good mindset. So as you can see, I tried everything in my power to try and get into this place, but it's under construction, so they won't let people in right now. But the point of coming to this tower isn't really to get inside. The point is to see all the beautiful views that are surrounding it.
So hopefully you can kind of see behind me here, there are some salt flats right below the Xlendi Tower. And apparently if you come here really early in the morning on certain days, you can see them actually like working, getting the salt out of them. So we saw the Xlendi Tower and we saw the views from this side of Xlendi Bay. Now we're gonna go to the other side of Xlendi Bay. There's a really cool cave over there, and yeah, let's go see.
So Morgan just lied to all of you. How's that make you feel? We actually decided to jump into this beautiful water because, like I said, it's so fucking hot. And now I'm not. So Malta is known for having rocky beaches, but not all of the beaches are rocky. Here in Xlendi, there is actually a sandy beach, and we go to visit that. Something to note of the beaches in Malta, they do have jellyfish. We didn't encounter any problems, but I guess it's just something to note. If that does bother you, if you feel like coming to Malta, just be aware that there are jellyfish. Honestly, I think I prefer the rocky beaches. That's because they're usually a lot more secluded. You could see in our shots that there is nobody there, where when we go to the sandy beaches, it's usually pretty crowded. So at the rocky beaches, I get kind of peace of mind where I can just leave my bag around and not really have to worry about anyone picking it up or taking it or anything like that. So if you rather have the sand, be prepared for the crowds. If you don't care about the sand, go to the rocky beaches. They're so much better in my opinion.
I'm so refreshed now. We're not sponsored by Monster. We're not crazy enough to be sponsored by Monster, but it's very refreshing. It's just what I needed.
I'm pretty sure this is the cave that I was trying to find right down these stairs. Looks like it's pretty crowded, but let's still see it anyway. This is so magical. It's so beautiful. I forget the name of this cave, but if you're looking at the beach, you go to the right and you follow and you go down the path that goes down, then you'll go right here. It's actually really, really simple to find.
So I actually don't think it's that crowded compared to other places we've been to. Usually we have to wait like 30 or 40 minutes to try and get a photo or a video, and this time it was not bad at all. Like it's even right now it's completely empty. So
it's just literally like a mermaid grotto. Like felt like the mermaid. Totally, completely.
Perfect Instagram place.
Perfect. So now we are heading up to the other path up the other side of Xlendi Bay. We didn't go on this one yet, and I'm just gonna see what's there. You can kind of see those divers coming out of the water. This place is fantastic for diving.
So we tried coming down this path and it did not lead to where we wanted to. It just kind of leads down to a dead end one way, and then the other way it just goes back down to the ocean level, which is not what we're trying to do.
We kind of thought that we could go up to the top of this hill thingy, but apparently not, unless you want to climb up it like, you know, you're going up a mountain in Skyrim and you're not supposed to be.
Skyrim style. That's how we got to do it, Morgan. All right, let's go.
Are you serious? Harrison!
I'm serious. Come on.
I'm not. My shoes are wet.
All right, well, give me the backpack. Be a big baby, I guess.
So Harrison took my Skyrim comment seriously, and he literally just scaled this freaking mountain. And yeah, I'm too much of a goddamn scaredy cat, so I'm just sitting here on my rock, safe and sound, until he gets back. I'm so bored waiting for Harrison. I want to eat some dinner. This is another day that we started kind of later than we wanted to. We got out of the house at like 1 p.m. or something, which is not ideal. If you're in Malta in the summer, you should be getting up really early to avoid the sun, going in at midday, and then coming out again at night, which is what locals do, and they have siesta. The reason we kind of start out later than we want to is usually because we are just up late editing, and this would probably be a good time to talk about our Patreon. So we put so much effort and work and time into these videos. I mean, it takes 60 to 80 hours for one video, and we're putting out 2 a week now, and we love it completely, but it's a lot of work, and we're not getting any money from it. I mean, we quit our jobs, and we are getting pennies from YouTube for our videos. Literally pennies we get earned from our videos. So it would really be amazing if you could consider becoming a patron and supporting small creators and helping us out, showing the world how to travel on a budget and how anybody can do this, and not just big rich people. Any money that we get would go directly towards our videos, enhancing it, getting better videos, better, like showing more things. We could have gone to eat at one of those beautiful restaurants down there. We could go on a boat ride and see the secret bays and caves of Gozo, instead of just kind of walking everywhere and doing what little that we can with no money. You get rewards as well. You get postcards from wherever we are. You get to see secret vlogs that no one else has seen, on all sorts of other stuff. So you can donate as little as $1 one time, and that would even help us out. We can get 2 pastizzis with that. So it would really mean a lot to me if you could please just consider becoming a Patreon. Link down below. We would appreciate it more than we can say. So thank you.
So I made it to the top. As you can see, I am very, very sweaty, and I only had to go through a few bushes and one vertical climb, but I made it, and the view is amazing. I'm gonna take off my drone so we can get a true experience of it.
If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise, now's not the right time. Yeah, I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. Look away so you won't see, 'cause the pain is in my eyes. Feels like I could break it any moment and shatter your insides. If you feel my mind, call me all night long. Try to give you hints that are hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I know.
I've made it back on my quest to drone. There are tons of Argonians up in the mountains.
Were there any maids?
No Argonian maids, unfortunately.
I cannot believe you. I just turned around. You scaled a mountain. I've been waiting here for so long. It's been like an hour.
Like a true son of Skyrim.
That's right. Did you get good stuff?
You're gonna get mad at me for what I got.
What did you get?
First, I'm picking up this piece of trash because where I left it is a piece of trash.
That's right.
Hung off the cliffside. Took a drone
What do you mean, with your hand?
No, I sat.
Oh my god, I can't believe you!
But yeah, you'll see it.
Oh yikes, there's gonna be a lot of footage to go through.
I had to go through some bushes.
Alright, let's go on from this spot. Alright, so we had a little bite to eat, we came home, got a snack, and we also went to the grocery store because it closes at 7 p.m. here, which actually we're very lucky that it's even open on Sundays at all because it's Sunday today. Now we're gonna go and watch the sunset over a different spot than we went to earlier. I kind of mentioned we were going to like these other cliffs that are past the Xlendi Tower. It should be, what is it, a half-hour walk?
A half-hour walk to Sunap Cliffs.
It's literally Sunap Cliffs. We're gonna go there.
Sunap.
Yeah, so talk to you over there. Or on the way there. Okay, let's go.
I would rather lie to you. I promise, now's not.
All right, you ready?
No, I want to cuddle.
You gotta go. We're gonna miss the sunset. They'll be back.
This is a weird cat.
What? How did he get up there? Oh.
I'll just make you cry. I don't wanna fight with you.
So we were gonna go to the Sunap Cliffs, but we don't think that's gonna be the best view looking at the map. We're gonna be going inland, and the sun's like over here. So we're gonna instead go to right down here, right where those cliffs are. We think that it's gonna be the prettiest view. So let's go do that little excursion. So on our way to get the sunset shots, I see like these giant sand dollars that are like just in the rocks here. I don't think they're fossils. I mean, they can't be fossils, right?
I don't know.
If you guys know, let us know in the comments because that is interesting me.
It looks ceramic, right? It looks like...
It does kind of look ceramic, but it's so weird that it would be in the rock.
It looks like it's coming away, but you can't pick it up.
Right.
There's some here too.
Like that's what I'm saying. It's like in the rock. It's like embedded in.
Yeah. What is this? Answer us.
Let us know.
So that's about it for Xlendi Bay. That was one of the most beautiful sunset ever. That was so fun. This was such a great day. It started out so scorching hot.
And now it's like the perfect temperature.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Now it's time for me to go back and have my sketty, not be upset. Have my skit. I'm sorry. Now it's time for us to go back and have our real dinner. Start editing some of our videos. And
continue editing.
I'm so excited for my sketty.
We're gonna be here for a little while, like a little over a week, and we're gonna see all beautiful places around the island of Gozo. There are so many gorgeous spots I'm really excited to show you. So please hit subscribe if you're not already. Thank you so much for watching this whole thing. If you're from Malta, we love you, and see you in the next one. Bye.
See ya.
Real quick, we just want to give a huge shout out to our first patron, Video Fever. Thank you so much for being our first patron. If you want to be one of our patrons on Patreon, links down below. Please sign up. Thanks, bye.